Welcome to this video on AI-powered IDEs for mobile app development. After watching this video, you will be able to discuss generative AI in IDEs, explain the benefits of AI-powered IDEs, explore popular examples of AI-powered IDEs for mobile app development, and discuss a scenario using AI in IDEs for developing a personal finance app. The mobile app development industry is undergoing rapid transformation, largely driven by advancements in generative AI technologies. These innovations have led to the creation of integrated development environments, IDEs, that not only boost productivity, but also simplify the overall development workflow. Within IDEs, AI technologies automate various development tasks, such as code generation, debugging, and user interface design. AI-powered IDEs offer several benefits, including enhanced efficiency, improved code quality, better collaboration, and learning and support. AI-powered IDEs save developers significant time by automating repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more complex design and functionality aspects instead of mundane coding duties. These tools analyze code patterns and provide suggestions for improvement, helping developers follow best practices and produce cleaner, more maintainable code, and also reducing the risk of bugs. Many AI-driven IDEs enable real-time collaboration among developers, making them especially valuable in remote work environments. For beginner developers, AI-powered IDEs act as intelligent assistants, offering contextual help and tutorials to ease the process of learning new programming languages and frameworks. Let's look into some popular examples of AI-powered IDEs for mobile app development. Android Studio with AI integrations. Android Studio, the official IDE for Android development, integrates AI tools such as Intel Lij IDEs code suggestions and Smart Completion, which enhance both coding speed and accuracy. Xcode with Swift Playgrounds. Apple's official IDE for iOS development, Xcode, features Swift Playgrounds, enabling developers to see code results instantly. AI-driven tools in Xcode also assist with efficient debugging. Visual Studio Code with GitHub Copilot. A free IDE from Microsoft, Visual Studio Code supports numerous extensions, including GitHub Copilot, which offers intelligent code suggestions. Other extensions, such as SuperMaven and Klein, further enhance its functionality. Cursor, an AI-first code editor gaining popularity for its intuitive design and powerful features that streamline the development process. Project IDEs is an innovative, AI-assisted workspace developed by Google for full-stack, multi-platform application development. Project IDEs is a browser-based development environment hosted on Google Cloud, allowing developers to work from anywhere on any device, with the full capabilities of a local development setup. JetBrains IDEs with GitHub Copilot. JetBrains offers several language-specific IDEs, including Intel Lij, PyCharm, PHPStorm, and RubyMine, with many developers integrating GitHub Copilot to boost coding efficiency. Replite, a versatile IDE supporting multiple programming languages. Replite uses generative AI to assist in faster and more accurate coding, along with features for collaborative coding. Tabnine is an AI-powered code completion tool that integrates with various IDEs, providing relevant real-time suggestions based on context. Aider is a terminal-based pair programming assistant that works alongside traditional IDEs, offering coding support as developers work. Zed is a next-gen code editor tailored for collaboration. Zed features AI tools that enhance team productivity in mobile app development. Windsurf Editor is a newly released IDE by Codium, gaining attention for its agentic capabilities, providing intelligent support throughout the coding process. NeoVim with Copilot is a Vim-based text editor with various extensions, including GitHub Copilot, making it a versatile choice for developers who prefer a minimalist setup. SuperMaven, though not an IDE itself, SuperMaven is an AI completion utility that integrates with environments such as Visual Studio Code and JetBrains IDEs, and has recently been acquired by Cursor to enhance its offerings. Klein is an autonomous coding assistant that integrates with various IDEs to provide intelligent coding support without being a complete IDE itself. Now let's consider a scenario where you, as a mobile developer, are tasked with creating an iOS app to help users track their income and expenses, visualize spending patterns, and set budget goals using AI-powered IDE capabilities. Here's an example approach you can follow. The first step is setting up the project. Using Xcode, you start a new project. As you begin coding the user interface, Swift Playgrounds suggests layout components based on best practices. For example, it may recommend using a list to display transactions and a chart to visualize spending patterns. You see live previews of UI changes while coding, thanks to instant feedback features. While coding, you turn to GitHub Copilot for assistance. When writing a function to calculate total expenses, Copilot suggests completing it based on typical patterns found in financial apps. As a developer, you need to handle potential errors when fetching data from an API and ask Copilot for a try-catch block, which Copilot provides with appropriate error handling code. Now, once the basic functionality is in place, you test the app. As you run the app and encounter an error, Xcode's integrated debugging tools pinpoint potential issues in the code and suggest fixes based on the error messages. You write unit tests for your functions, and Xcode suggests relevant test cases based on the existing code to ensure all functions are properly tested. If you are working in a team, you can use Zed. You can invite your team members to collaborate in real time, making it easier to brainstorm features and receive immediate feedback. Zed's AI provides suggestions tailored to the coding styles and practices of other team members, ensuring consistency across the project. In this video, you learned that AI-powered IDEs in mobile app development enhance productivity through automation, code generation, debugging, and UI design. AI-powered IDEs offer several benefits, including increased efficiency, reduces development time by automating repetitive tasks. Improved code quality suggests best practices to produce cleaner, maintainable code. Enhanced collaboration facilitates real-time collaboration, especially in remote teams. Learning support assists novice developers with contextual help and tutorials. Popular IDEs include Xcode, Android Studio, Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, IDEs, Replete, Cursor, and Zed. Zed offers real-time collaboration and AI-driven consistency in code style across team members.